Howdy, Michael the Mercedes guy here, and our topic is shifter bushings. So, your transmission, the later models have something like this on the tranny, and you need to replace the bushing when they go bad. It's nylon. So how do you get that sucker in there? So what you do is, first you get a socket that will slide over that, okay, and you put that on this side. Then another socket that will push against there. Put it in your vise. Then take a heat gun or a hair dryer and warm this up a bit and then press it in. You may have to use a screwdriver to gently get that lip started as you press it in. So that's how you do that particular bushing. Now, there's also need for bushings on the shift rod itself. This is a different bushing, and they go bad after a while. So you buy the assembly from the Classic Center, already assembled, so you can screw it on. Do note that they're a little bit shorter at times compared to your original. This one happens to be slightly shorter, so you'll have to do a slight adjustment. And this type goes over a ball, which can be really hard to get on. Here's a shifter assembly and steering column, and this is the ball I'm talking about. Now, it'd be great if you could get a pair of big channel locks in here, but there just isn't enough room. So, the way you push this on, so here's what you're looking at, only a new one on there, right? That's got to go over the ball. So, again, warm it up a little bit. Apply a little bit of Vaseline right here, not oil. Oil will deteriorate nylon. Then, now this is down in, way down in here on a car. Real hard to get to. So, what you want to do down in there is to get a big pry bar and a block of wood so that you can pry such, right? You have a block of wood right here as your fulcrum, so you can push on that. But you can bend this. On some models, this is even cast iron, and you'll break it. So it's very important, as you're doing this, to have equal pressure pushing the other way. Now, this can be a challenge for one person. So again, helps to have an assistant. So you're prying that way, and you're prying this way, and it'll pop right on. Alrighty.